Welcome back everyone to the Cobra Trading Channel, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we have a special guest for you, Shay, aka the Humbled Trader, who's going to be sharing with you why it's so important to use multiple time frames to improve your success.
Today, I'd like to talk to you guys about trading with multiple time frames in mind. One of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of newer traders make when it comes to day trading is that they are so focused, hyper-focused on what they see on the intraday time frames, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 5 minutes. I know it sounds a little bit counterintuitive that yes, while we are day traders trading the range with the intraday volatility, it's actually even more important for us to use multiple higher time frames as confirmation. Now, what does that mean exactly? That means while you may see a stock breaking out intraday through the high of the day, it's important to look at what the daily time frame or the hourly time frame looks like. Because while it might look like a very convincing and very strong breakout on the 1 minute chart intraday, if you zoom out on the daily, a lot of times that little breakout you're seeing on the intraday is actually hitting a key daily resistance. So that's the case where you definitely do not want to buy that breakout. And you will know that if you zoom out from the little intraday time frame and look at what the daily chart or sometimes even what the hourly chart looks like. And that's the reason I would only buy high of the day breakout on large cap stocks that's breaking through key daily resistance, and the executions and the breakout longs will be intraday, but it looks very bullish and a very strong breakout on the daily chart. This would obviously be the same way for stocks that's breaking down. Let's say instead of going long on a stock, we're looking at potential stocks to short. Now, instead of just shorting any low of the day breakdown intraday, if it's a key daily breakdown on a daily support, I would be more likely to take that short rather than just any small intraday breakdowns. So if you're day trading, definitely remember to zoom out of your time frames from your 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes, and look at the hourly and especially on the daily charts. And here is a pro tip for you. When you are journaling your trades and saving your execution charts, which you should be doing every single day, make note of what the daily chart looks like. And even better yet, save the daily chart alongside your intraday execution charts. Because that's exactly how I personally work on letting my winners ride out longer. So instead of having small wins, I'm aiming for bigger wins on these specific setups. When the intraday chart and multiple higher time frame, especially on the daily chart, line up. Last but not least, I have a few more golden nuggets for you. And these are actually some of my core trading principles that I abide by every single day. Stocks that are breaking through 52-week highs, or even better yet, all-time highs, are always longs on pullbacks. So basically, do not short those kind of stocks. Because if you recall what we just talked about earlier, stocks are breaking through all these all-time highs, 52-week highs. They are basically going to be breakout on all sorts of time frames. And even if you are a short bias trader, when you see stocks like that, just don't bother trying to short it. This is a costly mistake I have done in the past. So, even if you can't make money from this rule, you can save a lot of money as well if you have that rule in mind. And vice versa, this rule will apply to stocks that's breaking down 52-week lows and all-time lows. Same idea. These will not be long candidates at all, and they are actually better shorts on pops. I hope you find today's trading tips very helpful. If you would like to learn more, you can find me on YouTube, the Humble Trader YouTube channel. If you would like to take your day trading and swing trading to a next level and trade with me every single day in my trading community, you can find me on my website, humbledtrader.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.
Thank you so much, Shay, for sharing your point of view on why it's so important to use multiple time frames. Because I remember when I first started trading, I was so stuck on the 1 minute time frame. And then I was like, okay, I'll try multiple. I tried the 1 minute and the 3 minute. And it didn't really help me. I got so lost on the small picture that I would forget that there's a bigger picture in mind. So using multiple time frames really has helped me tremendously in my own trading. So I know if you take advantage of what she's talking about, it's gonna help you too. And if you have any questions for any of us here at Cobra Trading, feel free to reach out to us on our website, click the live chat feature, and we'll be happy to help you.